Clean the back of the phone. Fold the sheet sideways and remove top 3 layers, leaving only the white sheet behind. Place the cut on the phone. Check if the alignment is correct. If the alignment is incorrect, remove all 3 layers and adjust it. Hold the sheet steadily and lift one side of the sheet up to the middle cut and gently remove the bottom layer and paste the hydrogel layer on the phone. Remove the other part of the bottom layer. Use the squeegee to remove the bottom layer. Use the squeegee and push out the bubbles out. Gently remove the top printed layer. Remove only the top layer, leaving the hydrogel on the phone. Use the squeegee and push out the bubbles out. The bubbles, shades and lines will automatically settle off within 24 hours. Order online.
www.rizkacreations.com